Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On September 14th in Pelifol Zent Keres, where the Salesians first settled in Hungary, 14 stations of the Via Lucas were blessed. The Via Lucas is a liturgical devotional journey in which the events in the life of Christ and the nascent church from the resurrection of Jesus to Pentecost are commemorated, initiated and promoted since 1988 by the movement of Witnesses of the Risen One, 20th group of the Salesian family. The Via Lucas that has been erected along the Sylvan Trail starting from the Salesian house is the outstanding work of Peter Parkantier-Raab, the Kuzit Prize-winning sculpture, and it is the first of its kind in Hungary. The carved stone images depict moments of Christ meeting people after the resurrection until the ascension, emphasizing that the life of Christ here on earth did not end with the crucifixion but continues every day. The consecration of the Via Lucas was preceded by a short ceremony held with the participation of church and civil leaders of the neighboring towns, the Salesian communities, the Salesian family, and representatives of the Salesian institutions and neighboring parishes. The International Symposium on the Salesian Charism and Don Bosco in Northeast India was held at the Sacred Heart Theological College, Meghalaya, from 20th to 23rd September 2022. The symposium was held as part of the centenary celebration of the first arrival of the Salesians of Don Bosco to Northeast India in 1922. The 3 full-day symposium was packed with many resource persons from different parts of the mission of the 3 Salesian provinces of Gauhati, Dimapur and Shillong of Northeast India. The attendees of the symposium were mostly from the different congregations of the Salesian family. Father Philip Barjo, the rector of Sacred Heart Theological College, in his welcome speech, welcomed everyone to the symposium and added that such events will help everyone to go back to the spirit of the father and founder Don Bosco. Father Jose Chunkapura, the president of Sacred Heart Theological College, introduced the symposium as the way to get back to the footsteps of the founder. Father A.L. Jose, the organizer of the symposium, read out the message of the Rector Major, who wished all the Salesians working in Northeast India to have fruitful centenary celebrations. Noi sis tiamo, we're here, we're with you. This is not just a slogan, but what was really experienced at the SYM youth meeting organized by the Salesian Youth Movement of Triveneto in Mestre on Sunday, September 25th, which saw the participation of almost 1,000 young people from all the centers and houses that lived the charism of Don Bosco in the territory of the Salesian province of Northeast Italy, INE. Amid moments of joy with dances and games, the young people were able to listen to the testimony of Antonio Fantin, multiple world and European Paralympic swimming champion. At the center of it all was the Eucharist, presided over by Father Fabio Maestro, missionary animator of the INE province, who, describing his experience this summer with some 20 young people in Ecuador, took up the Sunday Gospel, inviting them to be especially attentive to the poorest young people in their own realities, asking each young person to take to heart a needy person to accompany throughout the year. The day continued with a big game among the courtyards of the institute involving all the young in an atmosphere of joy and celebration, and the conclusion in the form of a play offered by the young people of the SYM play. The whole day was organized and prepared by more than 150 young people between the ages of 16 and 25 who set up the facility to welcome their peers. It was a time dedicated to work and service without neglecting prayer, with a vigil dedicated to the figure of Blessed Artemide Zate. From September 23rd to 25th, 112 representatives of the 10 groups of the Salesian family of Ecuador gathered for the meeting on the theme Women as a Sign of Hope in the Synodal Church, moved by life-giving love. The meeting, now in its 14th edition, was animated by Father Angel Lazo, provincial delegate for the Salesian family, and organized by the Don Bosco volunteers, and included a series of themes and formative activities aimed at illuminating the part of joint work in favor of the shared mission. Among the various moments experienced were the festive oratory and the collection of personal challenges and contributions of each participant for the construction of the general effort. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.